cool.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. That's awesome.
Oh, it's the plane. The plane.
The plane. Wow, look at that one. This is an awesome view.
Yeah, it's great. That is a nice corner.
Mario's going to be happy we're taping this for him. I don't think he's missed this a lot. This is the first year he's missed it. Too bad Tom and Alice, they would have enjoyed it.
Yeah.
No, we don't. Not with our work schedules, yeah. Oh, me too. This is great. Oh, poor dogs.
Sit here next to the well.
Talk about a good spot. You know, this is great, man.
Great spot.
Sit down. Sure.
Oh, that was cool. I like that one.
You can hear the music too a little bit. That's cool.
Oh, that's pretty. I like